Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the Watch Kaki channel, and today is another Seiko we're gonna unbox here in the studio. And let's just flip open the box here and see what we've got inside. So Seiko, we've got a very standard retail box here. This is the outer box. I would say if you buy the budget Seikos, this is going to be really familiar. Alright, it's going to look very familiar. You get all these same boxes. And here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the Seiko 5. I don't really know the reference number. Alright, and I gotta tell you, I first looked at the watch here on Eric's Instagram account, Our Boutique, alright, Our Boutique SG Instagram account, and I was instantly drawn by this dial here. Alright, so just take a look at the light play we've got on the textured dial. Alright, so this dial here is a repeated motif of the Seiko 5 badge. Really special looking dial here. Alright, so I apologize for the poor lighting. So in the full length review, I am going to do the video with better lighting, and I'm pretty sure you will then get to see a much clearer depth and feel of this textured dial here. And before we carry on with this unboxing, I'd like to take some time to thank Eric at the Our Boutique for so kindly loaning me all these watches for my video reviews. So with the packaging out of the way, let's have a closer look at the Seiko 5 model here. Alright, let's have a quick look at the reference number. I don't think this is a new model, alright. In fact, all these Seiko 5s with the older shield logo, I think they must be pretty old. Alright, so reference number for the watch is SNK357, and it is powered by the 7S caliber, 7S movement, which does not hack, does not hand wind, but I reckon it's a very hardy workhorse type of movement. And this one here has a really good looking deep blue dial here with a bit of sunburst effect, but the main draw of the watch is definitely that Seiko 5 repeated engraving or motif on this dial here. So it just looks fantastic. Alright, just take a look as I turn the watch and see how it plays with the light here. Just looks fantastic. So for the more entry level Seiko 5s, I think they're typically in the size of about 36 to 37 millimeters. So if you got a smaller wrist like mine, not a problem at all. Okay, let's do a really quick wrist shot here, a fake wrist shot. Alright, so no problems at all. Fits so well for my 17 cm wrist. Alright, more or less the perfect fit. 37, 38, or through to about 40. I would say this is in the sweet spot, Really good looking here. We've got this bracelet here that tapers a little bit. If I'm not wrong, it tapers from 20 to 18. And as you would have expected, everything here will be stamped, folded. Nothing milled or solid, full solid links and all that. Nothing of the sort. We've got folded end links, folded links, stamped clasp. But you're paying very little money for these watches. I think typically these watches go for about 130 Singapore dollars. You can't really go wrong with a price like that. Alright, you're getting an automatic movement, very hardy movement. If it ever breaks down, you just do a full replacement, no need for repairs. So obviously the movement here does not hack or hand wind. It doesn't even have a screw down crown, and the crown here is somewhat recessed. You pull out 2 notches, and let's check out the hand alignment. Very quickly go on to 4 o'clock. Seems okay. And 9 o'clock. Alright, nice. No problems at all. Alright, so despite the very affordable price tag, doesn't seem to have all the hand misalignment that I've encountered before. Alright, so typically Seikos, at the lower price range, handset alignment, placement of markers, etc. Not always the best, but in this case I think they've done really well. And I just can't stop looking at the computer dial here. Alright, so back in the 90s when people were talking about the Rolex type of dial where they've got the repeated Rolex text engraved on the dial. So we call those things the computer face. Okay, so I'm going to call that the computer face now for the Seiko 5. Stay tuned for the full review that's coming up in the next few weeks. This is the Watch Kaki from Singapore. Bye bye.